Hey babes, have you been struggling on how to make your press-on nails look like you're just coming out from the nail salon, making it look like a pro? Stay tuned because you came to the right video. I like to start by prepping my nails because it just makes the press-on nails last longer. I'll be going in with this cuticle pusher that I got on Amazon. Not to worry, I'm going to be linking all the products used in this video in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Next, I go in with my cuticle fork. I use it to take out the cuticle I was able to push and to make it look neater. I go in with the cuticle nipper, but this time around I use it to cut my fingernails because it just makes it easier. I go in with this nail file to file my nails and my nail bed to be able to create a rough surface to make the glue stick properly. Now I go in with this remover and cutting balls so that I can remove everything that I filed. Lastly, I go in to rinse my hands off with water only. And these are what my hands look like right now. I'll be using these BTArtbox nails that I got from Amazon. I love these nails so much because you don't have to e-file the nails because it comes in different sizes, so you'll definitely find the one that fits yours perfectly. Also, you want to make sure that you prep everything that fits your left hand and your right hand before applying to your fingernails. Now this is where the trick comes in. You want to apply a lot of glue. Doing your press-on nail is like putting a screen protector on your phone. If you're currently using one, if you've used one before, if you just apply the screen protector on your screen, it gives you air bubbles, right? You have to like lift it and play around with it, and then you make sure there are no air bubbles anymore. So this is how it works when it comes to press-on nails. And the reason why you're applying a lot of glue is because the process whereby you're lifting, you still want to have a lot of glue on it so that once you know that the air bubble is out, you're able to like put it in place and then let it dry in one position. So now I'm going to explain with this finger. Now I can see air bubble and then I lift it to the side and then press it on, and then that disappeared already. Also, it's gonna move, so you want to make sure that you want to like put it back in place before you put it in to dry. So basically that's how it works. So you just have to repeat the process, apply a lot of glue, put the press on. When you see any air bubble, you lift and then you try to put it back. Just play around with it till you see that there are no air bubbles anymore. And this is what we have. Now you also want to file the nails because we had to pluck it out. And then you apply this foundation base gel. This is very good because this is what's going to keep your design in place to make it last for about 2 to 3 weeks without peeling off. Now to the finishing gel, the top coat. This is what will give it that glow. Like the foundation gel does that already. But we just want to we can't just leave the foundation like that. The foundation needs a covering because the foundation is what's securing the design, right? So we're going to make sure we apply the top coat. Who leaves the nail salon without the cuticle oil? Yeah, that's what I thought. Yes. Make sure you apply that to give your hand that moisture, to let it, oh my god, glow. I'm in love, I'm in love, I'm in love. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.